Yes, sir. Sir, very happy evening to all. I believe that your Group 1 exams have gone very well, and some of our students are writing Group number 2. After completion of Group 1 examination, many students are inquiring about the next G2 classes, and from the outside, we are getting inquiries for the G1 classes. So I thought of make it as a video for the coming May examination, how we are going to conduct the classes, which is nothing but the batch details, what we are going to do in the May. First of all, our classes are face to face. We are having both face to face and also now virtuals. Now we are having full-fledged virtuals, my dear lovable students. Regarding the A&M virtuals, I will share with you in another video. This video exclusively we will discuss about the face-to-face class, that too for the May coming examination, May 25. Sir, these are the faculties who are going to take for the group number 1. Advanced accounting, a very important 100-mark examination, more or like a decider for group number 1. In that, nearly 70% of the portions will be handled by myself, and the remaining 30 to 40% will be shared by E. Srinivas sir. This is the scheduled faculty for the May examination. Sir, with regard to the next very important paper, law, sir, the law first will be taken by Jayashree ma'am, and it will be revised by our favorite Karthik sir. The tax, both DT and IDT will be handled by myself for group number 1 for the coming May examination. Since, my dear lovable students, direct tax has gone, surely Finance Act amendments, you have to study very well for the coming exam, because the old provision or the old book will not be applicable. We have to study along with the new amendments. This is our faculty team for the May 25 exam for this group number 1. Coming to group number 2, we know that 4 subjects are there. Auditing and ethics will be handled by Sir Ram Harsha sir, and costing, this is the first time, sir, I am bringing the best to the best to the best. Ganesh sir will be handling costing to you all, my dear lovable students, and FM will be handled by myself, and SM will be handled by Bharat Kumar sir. This is the faculty team for the coming batch, which we are going to start from, sir, February 3rd onwards. Next, sir, generally students are asking that, sir, we have to follow the ICAI study material, or will you give your own books? Yes, from A&M classes, we will give this much number of books for the separate subject. Like advanced accounting, we will be giving you 3 books, which is 2 concept books basically 2 compilers and 1 workout, which is basically RTP, MTP questions are there. Law will be giving you 2 books. One is, sir, 1 compiler, provision book, and other the, sir, past examination question, ICAI, RTP, MTP. Actually, for the last batch itself, we have introduced that, which comprises of 444 pages, like 1 very good, sir, quick revision book will be giving. Tax, sir, for DT you will get 3 books, and for IDT also you will get 3 books. Basically 2 compilers and 1 workbook, and 2 compilers for IDT and 1 workbook for IDT. That workbook basically comprises of, sir, ICAI illustrations, book back, and also the RTP, MTP, and also the past examination question. That itself is more than sufficient for exam. With regard to audit and ethics, sir, you will get the Harsha sir's book. One will be full, sir, provision book, and other will be, sir, the question bank. Costing also same way. Ganesh sir will give the book. One book will be the, sir, concept book, and other book will be the, sir, question and answer. And FM also I will give you 2 books. One is the basic, the provisions, that is the logic, concepts and all, formulas and all. Other will be doing the RTP, MTP, and SM we will give 1 book. These are the general doubts students used to ask to our admin. Sir, we have noted those things, my dear lovable students, and I am trying to clarify that. If you are having any other, you can, sir, contact to our A&M classes number. The class timing generally for both the groups, whether it is G1 or G2 is morning 7 o'clock to 5 p.m., my dear lovable students. Batch duration, we are going to start by February 3rd, since already the exam dates has been announced. So this time we will be close the classes at least 15 days prior to the examination, that we will be able to achieve. And when you are joining our regular class, this is not crash, this is absolutely, sir, regular class. One free mock test will be available. And I am always be with you till your examination. If you are seeing the current exam also, we are uploading the RTP, MTP discussion. You will be having daily targets. We will give you, sir, we will guide you like anything. It will be like a school. If you are ready to follow us, we are ready to guide you like anything, my dear lovable students. And for each group, since it is face to face, we are, sir, incurring lot of infrastructure cost and all. We are charging 30,000 rupees plus GST, sir, for both the groups. This is the basic information which we have noted for the coming batch, my dear lovable students. You may have still lot of doubts to be cleared from your side. You can contact our number 9500810008. Sir, in this number, this is ANM classes number, my dear lovable students. You can contact in this number 9500810008 for your any other queries. Sir, generally what we have planned for the time being is, if we start with group number 1, the group number 1 classes will go like this. Morning 7 to 9, we deciding to go with advanced accounting. From start itself, we are starting this time with advanced accounting. I will be handling the accounting paper. And 10 to 1, you will be having direct tax, because that is very important for the coming May examination because of its amendment. And after that, we will be dealing with, sir, law and IDT. So from the start itself, every subject you will be learning. And with regard to group number 2, for February, for the time being, we have scheduled audit from 7 to 1. And afternoon, we'll be doing a sum paper called as FM. In March, the entire March month, we have allotted for costing. And afternoon, we will be doing with the FM. So by, sir, March end, we will be able to complete both big gigantic audit and also the costing. Afternoon, we'll be completing FM. And we need 7 to 10 days class to complete the SM, which you all know that with this another comparatively less portions are easy to complete. So when we are studying at the end SM, you'll be able to recall the, sir, things also for the examination. This is the primary, sir, timetable we have put. Sir, since it is a regular class, 1 or 2 sessions here and there, surely it may undergo a change. Otherwise, we will be sticking on this. As compared to the last before batch, the last concluded batch, with God's grace, we have done very well. Sir, for us, it is a very satisfactory and a fantastic batch, the batch which the students who have written for Jan. Now, we are conducting regular as regular and crash as crash. And this time, as of now, we have not scheduled any crash, because now, after results, we are getting really less time to conduct crash. And the effectiveness of a crash over the face-to-face is very less, my dear lovable students. So, from our side, A&M classes, we are dropping that scheme of conducting crash, because we are not able to complete or focus on that. So, this will be the batch available for May in face-to-face, and surely you will be having classes in virtuals also. I believe that I have, sir, spoken what and all doubts has come to my mind when I am explaining this. Still, you may have a lot. You can contact in the admin number for the admissions and all. And as you all know that we don't have so much of infrastructure to accommodate so much number of students, our admissions will be restricted to 100 to 120. And in the Jan month itself, lot of in-house students have written their exams. Those who have written G1, they will be joining for G2. So already admissions has been started. We have to mandatorily restrict our admissions by max to max 120 to 150. So if you are wishing to join in our academy, my dear lovable students, please book your seats at the earliest for our easiest administration purpose. And we will, sir, ensure that your studies and your assignments and your progress on a daily and on a weekly basis I wish you all the very best for the coming examination. Do very well. And, sir, this is a golden attempt where we can say that may God bless you. If you have any more queries, you can contact the admin. Till that, thank you and bye bye from me.